Bloody hell. Come on, laddie. Yeah. What? Oh. 9 miles an hour uphill. 10 miles an hour uphill. Mud speeds. Look how steep this shit is, man. Manage that at 10 miles an hour, lads. Let's try throttle only. Losing speed, guys. 6 miles an hour. Come on. Right, laddie. So uphill I'm doing 12 miles an hour, guys. Bloody hell. That's alright. So downhill you can go all the way up to 22 miles an hour. But my brakes aren't done yet. Ooh. Shit. Test out the suspension now, guys. Got some bumps here, guys. Whoa, bam. Oh, that was a big bump, guys. Let's do some pedal assist, guys. Whoa. It's too tight, guys. Walk it through. Now we have a path, guys. Recording, lads. Let's go. Okay. So we tried smooth mode. Let's try economy mode, guys. So economy gets you up to 8 miles an hour with pedal assist. Drive goes up to 12. Sports lets you up to 16 miles an hour. Let's go, lads. So even 8 miles an hour is not bad. We're doing 11 miles an hour. Oh dear, this truck is really over there. This path is very bumpy, guys. Oh my days. It handles it well. Can't complain, guys. Very nice truck, guys. Very nice. Now we have to decamp. Right. Ah. Yeah, what if I get punctured up there? What if I get punctured up there?
The path itself is kind of smooth.
Okay.
There's a few rocks and stuff.
If you hear me screaming, I died, bro.
Okay.
Just take my bike in will and sell it, man. Pay for my funeral with the bike. Okay. Very smooth uphill. Ah, it's quite a big hill. Come on. Nope. Too heavy, guys. Let's try here. Bloody hell. Okay, we have found a match, guys. Too strong, brother. So this bike is a city bike. We're trying to use it for off-roading, and my tire pressure is very low as well, so it's not a good stand yet. Let's try it again. Nope. We ain't making it up, guys. Let's try make it down. Let's see if we can make it down. Yeah, so this is a very steep gradient. Aye, aye, aye. And it's all off-road, and my tire pressure is very low. So this will struggle to get up here, but I have unlocked the suspension, so it won't be very bumpy anymore. So we'll try to do a downhill, guys. What the hell? Let's see if we can do this downhill without dying. I don't know if you can, guys. Let's see. Wish me luck. Oh. This is testing out the suspension. Very bumpy, but it's still not too bad. I should have really inflated these tires, guys. Oh. Make a big bump. Let's see if we can get over it. We have got over, guys, but the reflector didn't make it, guys.